How to log SMTP debug information to a file. As you know, Python smtplib has a debug level. When I set it a true param, it will print some send information. The problem is, I try to get the debug info to log into a file, but they just stay on my CMD console. How can I do to log them? Info like this.
The smtplib prints directly to stir, for example line 823 in smtplib.py. You have to either monkey patch sys.stir before you import smtplib or smtplib.stir before you run your mail code. I might also suggest patching smtplib.stir with the custom object that has a right method to wrap your logging code, if you are using the logging library for instance. This question contains some useful examples of patching stir with context managers.
Some time ago I forked smtplib and added a log file option, among other things. You can try that, if you want. It also has a new name, smtp.py.
Hardly clean, but since it doesn't seem SMTP objects provide the ability to specify where debug output goes.
If you want the same warning, be anti-chunky subscriber.